Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change pipeline stages in Freshsales. Now the first thing I'll show you is how to update an individual deal stage, and then I'll show you how to update the deal stages overall. So first thing, on the left hand panel, come here, click on deals, and then here you just go ahead and select any deal you want to update the pipeline stage for. So I'll change the pipeline stage for this deal. It is currently at new and we can choose any of these stages. So let's say instead of new right now, this is in the demo stage, right? We're giving demos, so change that. As you can see, deal has been updated. That's the new stage. What you could also do is you can come here on the left hand panel again, click on this gear cog to access admin settings, click here on deals and pipelines, and then click here on pipelines. You can create your own new pipelines, or if you have existing ones, for example this one right here, you can click on this pencil icon to edit it. You can change the name, you can adjust the deal stages. Okay, you can change these up, you can add new stages if you want. You can go ahead and also delete stages as well, and you can just go ahead and save your changes. Really that easy, and that is how to change pipeline stages in Freshsales.